Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will do the fourth chess puzzle. This puzzle is a hard level, so don't worry to pause or take so long to solve this puzzle because as I said, it's a hard level. So watch until the end to know the answer and subscribe my channel to help me improve even more and share this video for more people to see these cool puzzles. Now, let's get in. So I will allow you to pause the video and try to find the sequence here. In the thumbnail and the title, I put mate in 8. So try to find the sequence to mate. You found it? So now it's the answer time. And the first thing you have to notice is that the king isn't stalemated. He can capture this pawn, okay? So how you checkmate here? The thing is, the thing here is that you have a rook and a king. You can only checkmate the black king if the black king comes at the side of your king. So the first move here, my favorite move, big castle, is the correct idea because you are getting close to your pawns and your rook is on the file. The only move black has is take the pawn, and the right move here, you have to see here, the lateral here is blocked, but the king can go back. So the correct move here is rook d8, blocking everything, and he has to take, and you do the same thing again. He has to take again, take again, and so on. Take again, take again. And the thing here is that your king is blocking the squares, so the only move black has is here, and it is checkmate, rook a3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this for more people to see and subscribe my channel as I said at the beginning of the video. I will wait you for the next puzzles. Take care.